Welcome back to the West Mountain Motorsports YouTube channel. In this episode, I bought a boat, and I'll play some clips of bringing that sucker home right now.
Oh my God.
Just went and bought a boat.
It's flying
The tire's blown and it's and look at the truck. Look at it bouncing.
Oh wow! We lost a bunch.
We got her home on the wheel. No tire, just wheel. She's rolling minty fresh. Oh, I'm stoked about this one. This is probably the best purchase yet to this day. Yet. Woo! Minty fresh. Nice. Here's an overview of it. She is plastered. Here's the old Butte, 500 bucks. Didn't look like this one when I got it. We stripped the entire thing basically, so it's still pretty nasty, but it looks a lot better than it did. It had a bunch of like rotted interior and all the wood paneling was all messed up. We tried salvaging that motor. It's a Volvo Penta 225D, and maybe I'll be able to sell it on our local Craigslist or something for 500 bucks because all the accessories look like they're in good condition. But yeah, we ripped it all completely basically. The only thing holding it in is, I don't think anything's holding it. I think it's just sitting actually. We just got all the bolts on the outdrive undone and whatnot, so we just gotta yank her out. And then it's got a Volvo Penta 280 outdrive on it. It's being held up by a ratchet strap. For the most part, it's in decent condition. I just went and recently got some new wheels and tires. Well, the wheels are original, just painted. And then got new tires on it today, so. All in all, I think I'm up about like $700 on this thing so far. I think I'm gonna plan on going through fixing all the gel coat cracks, and then maybe paint. I don't know if you can paint over gel coat. I'm new to this whole boating situation. It looks like it's got a couple of pinstripes over the gel coat, and the bottom down here seems to be painted a little bit, but I really don't know much about boats, so we'll figure that out. Yeah, I went through and re-greased all the circs on this thing, front to back. Got it all somewhat okay. I think I'm just gonna lay a sheet of plywood over this. And then that front floorboard piece is a little rotted, so I think I'm just gonna brace it up with some 2x4s and then line the sides of that thing. And then, yeah, just run plywood along the sides. And then I'm gonna segment the back portion so there's a box around that, and then make it like a suntan deck that folds up so you can see the motor. I'm not quite sure what motor is gonna go back into it. I'll show you where she's cracked at. It's on both sides, the exact same spot, right there. If you can tell, there's a huge crack on it. So she's messed. And I undid the spark plugs out of this cylinder, I believe, and it just puked all underneath the motor. So we got to get that thing out of there and then clean up underneath where the motor sits and all sorts of other stuff. But I think we're gonna clean it up pretty nice, I think. And have a certified ripper after we're done. I don't know much about these things either, so I'm gonna have to learn how to work on out drives and boat motors. Boat motor's ready to come out. You can see the bolts are not even connected to the out drive. All we gotta do is just undo it from the out drive and get her out of here. Probably gonna use a forklift, but I'll record when that's happening. Stay tuned if you want to check this build out. It's gonna be dope as heck. I'm excited. I'm planning on doing a purple color on the side of the boat, like a glossy purple, and then probably black on the bottom, and then maybe I'll just leave white up top. I don't really know yet. Maybe I'll do the top black too, who knows. We'll see what happens, but yeah, she's gonna get all nice and purty. Stay tuned, and I'll make a couple other videos on this thing.